Hello, and welcome to the Moodle Gradebook Training Series video number 1, Natural Aggregation, or Points Grading. Before you is a gradebook that has already been formatted as natural grading. This video is going to show you how to set each category as natural, along with making subgrade items as well as having a category for extra credit, which is only available within natural grading. Let's begin. Enter into the gradebook and select Setup. Once the page refreshes, you will be in Categories and Items. As you can see, the gradebook has been cleared. The default aggregation for Moodle is weighted means of grades. Our first steps need to be changing the default aggregation from weighted means of grades to natural. The only item in the gradebook that will always be there is the name of the course category. Under Actions, there is a small arrow. Click on the arrow and select the pencil. This will highlight and say Edit Settings. Under the grade category, change weight of means to natural and save changes. Now that we have taken care of the overall course aggregation, let's start making categories. We are going to start with the quizzes category. At the bottom of the page, select Add Category. Name the category Quizzes. Change the aggregation to natural and save changes. You can now see that we have a category folder. With this folder, you can add a grade item. Next to the Add category, select Add Grade Item. Here you will give the item a name. What makes this different from weighted means of grades is that we are going to focus on the max grade. I'm going to make the quiz worth 50 points. The important thing to do here is make sure that you change the grade category under Parent Category. Make sure it says Quizzes and save changes. If you forget to do this, it's not a problem. Look for the grade item and click on the arrows, which will then take you to a new page. Underneath your folder, select the dotted white box. After the page refreshes, you can see that the grade item has been moved underneath your folder. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the gradebook. The course should total 900 points. For the extra credit category, you must create the category first and go back into Edit Settings and select the extra credit box like so. Now that the extra credit is linked to the folder, you want to create the grade item. Just like before with other grade items, choose Add Grade Item in the name and make sure to put it under the extra credit folder and save changes. Things to remember with extra credit function. Do not make a grade item extra credit. If you do so, the extra credit will not be calculated. The total will be 0.00 with a plus sign next to it. What we have here is 10.00 with a plus sign next to it. Congratulations! You have successfully created your gradebook using the natural aggregation, otherwise known as total points grading. Just to recap, in this video we learned how to create and set up the gradebook using natural, as well as creating a category for extra credit and having it apply correctly. In our next video, we will learn how to create the gradebook using weighted means of grades. Continue with us as we learn more about Moodle training.